AI can be helpful when you feel stuck, but it should not take control of your writing. One of the best ways to use AI is for brainstorming, means exploring possibilities before deciding. What you want to write, you can ask AI to help you generate questions. About your topic, you can ask for possible chapter categories. You can ask for examples of challenges your reader may face. You can ask it to help organize ideas you already have. For example, you might say, I am writing for adults who want to begin writing but feel overwhelmed. Give me 10 questions they may be asking. That prompt gives you material to consider. It does not require AI to write your final message. After receiving ideas, review them, circle the ones that connect with your purpose, cross out the ones that do not fit. Add your own experiences. Insights and examples may suggest the direction, but you decide what belongs in your work. Be careful about copying large sections without reviewing them. The writing may sound polished, but it may not reflect your real meaning. It may also repeat common language that does not sound personal. The strongest writing happens when the tool helps you think. While you remain responsible for the message, let AI spark ideas, but let your voice shape them. You are not asking AI to replace your creativity. You are using it to help your creativity move forward, and that's the principle behind the Domino effect writing system. Great writing doesn't begin with perfect sentences. It begins with better thinking. Use AI to generate possibilities, explore new angles, and organize your ideas. But let every important decision come from you. One thoughtful idea leads to the next, creating steady momentum until your message is clear, authentic, and complete. Think first. Choose carefully. Write with purpose. Let AI inspire your ideas, but let your voice lead with the Domino effect writing system.